Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a head-to-head showdown between two AI powerhouses, WPS AI and ChatGPT. Both are incredible tools, but which one is more effective for your needs? Stick around because we're about to compare their features, strengths, and use cases so you can decide which one deserves a spot in your digital toolkit. Before we begin, you can follow along with me right now by downloading WPS Office for free using the link in the description below. It's safe and secure. Go ahead, click it, and let's get started. Alright, first up, let's talk about what these tools are designed for. WPS AI is built right into WPS Office, making it a productivity powerhouse for tasks like document editing, summarizing, and even generating content. On the other hand, ChatGPT is an all-purpose conversational AI that can help you with everything from brainstorming ideas to writing essays and even coding. Both are super versatile, but they shine in different areas. Let's break it down. Let's start with WPS AI. If you're already using WPS Office, this is a no-brainer. WPS AI seamlessly integrates with WPS Office, making it a convenient and powerful tool for summarizing long documents, rewriting text, and even generating professional emails in seconds. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your Office suite. Plus, it's super intuitive. Just highlight the text you want to work with, and WPS AI does the rest. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who deals with a lot of documents. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. This tool is like the Swiss Army knife of AI. It's incredibly versatile, capable of helping you brainstorm ideas, write a blog post, or even solve a coding problem. Its wide range of applications is sure to pique your interest. It's incredibly versatile, but it's not tied to any specific software, which makes it great for general use. However, it does require a bit more input from you to get the best results, especially if you're working on something complex. So, how do they stack up? We've compared them based on a few key factors: ease of use, versatility, cost, and best use cases. Ease of use. WPS AI wins if you're already using WPS Office thanks to its seamless integration. Versatility. ChatGPT takes the crown here with its ability to handle a wider range of tasks. Cost. WPS AI is often included with WPS Office, while ChatGPT has free and paid plans depending on your needs. Best for. WPS AI is ideal for productivity and document-heavy tasks, while ChatGPT is better for creative and conversational projects. At the end of the day, the choice between WPS AI and ChatGPT really depends on what you need. If you're all about productivity, WPS AI is your go-to. But if you want a more general-purpose AI, ChatGPT is hard to beat. It's all about what works best for you, and that's the power of choice. WPS AI versus ChatGPT. Both are excellent tools, but the best one for you depends on your workflow and what you're looking to accomplish. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech breakdowns. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to check out our next video where I'll show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free on PC and Mac. Click the link on the screen or in the description, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching!